Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's a girl, Lady M, and today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be my demo, first impressions, review. I'm giving you all the tea on the new Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. I was able to snatch this up when it first came out, and I was so excited to get it because I have seen it, you know, like all over, and I was like, oh my God, that's so pretty. And like Nars is like one of my favorite complexion brands. They have like some of the best foundations. So it was only natural that I was gonna pick this up. So I'm excited to share that with you today. However, before we hop into the video, let's take care of some business. If you aren't already subscribed, then I welcome you to the Lady M fam. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss any of my awesome uploads. All right? Yeah, so now that we got it out the way, let's go ahead and jump right into my demo review, first impressions of the Nars new foundation, the Light Reflecting Foundation. Let's go. All right, so today's video is going to be all about the new foundation from Nars. I was really excited when I saw this. And I was like, oh my God, I can't wait for this to come out because I just know that I'm gonna love it. I love Nars, one of my favorite brands. I do have like literally all the foundations. I've worn Share Glow, I've worn the Natural Radiant Longwear, which is probably like my favorite. And then they came out with the Soft Matte last year, which was also pretty good. So this year we have this, what is it called? The Nars Light Reflecting Advanced Skincare Foundation. So it's still along the same lines of most of the newest foundations that we've seen, where skincare meets makeup, and then they have the perfect marriage, right? So that's what this foundation is. It does come in 36 shades. It is an advanced makeup skincare hybrid foundation, which has a natural finish, which is what I love. That blurs and smooths while visibly improving your skin's clarity over time. So what are some ingredients? I don't even know how to say this word. It's like biomectic oat, which visually improves clarity by reducing the appearance of redness. And then we have Japanese lily turf. Supports a strong skin barrier by maintaining moisture. And then we have cacao peptides and milk thistle, which minimizes the negative effect of blue light and environmental stressors. So it is pretty dope. It's natural finish, medium coverage, and it's going to be, you know, one of those liquid formulas. So super excited. I did pick up my regular shade Macao. I did test to decide between Marquises and Macao. In the soft matte, I actually had to do Marquises because Macao was like a little light, but typically Macao is the shade that I wear. So hopefully they don't play me with this one in this video today. So let's go ahead and get into the demo. I already have my primer on, and so we're gonna get into the foundation. So let's go. So as per the usual, I'm always just shaking it up. Let me just give you guys a look at the bottle so you can see what the bottle looks like. Has the Nars, it's glass, and it has that there. It does have a pump, so no worries. You don't have to try to get a pump. So it does have a pump on this packaging. I'm just gonna flip it around. So pretty dope. I love Nars. Simple but chic. Yes, so I'm here for it. So I'm just going in and giving it a really good shake. And when I tried it in Sephora and I put it on my forehead, and it literally blended in so you couldn't really see the foundation. It is a little runny. And when I like swatched it on my hand, so I'm just gonna put it right there. When I swatched it on my hands, yo, a little bit went a long way, no lie. So I feel like it's one of those foundations that It is truly medium. Or maybe my cow is going to work out today. Thought that Nars is gonna play me again by me having to return this and get, you know, Marquise's. But Marquise's was so red and it was really, really dark. So there was no way that I would have been able to really wear that unless I went in with like a really light concealer. So now that I have that on, let's get into the blending out. I'm just putting the rest of it on my brush. And as per the usual, I'm using my Morphe brush, which is probably one of my favorite brushes. And I should learn the hard way with foundation is that less is more. Because I have gone in with a lot and I really don't feel like you need a lot. So I'm just gonna blend out one side of my face so that we can take a look. Oh, okay. And I am not a sponge kind of person, so I don't typically like to use a sponge for my foundation, and I don't use my hands. So I just love a good brush because I feel like the brush just gets it nice and it like settles in nicely onto the skin. So far, I'm gonna stop really quickly so you guys can take a look at that. Look at that. Man, my cow is it. Like, I don't feel played. Definitely feel like it's a good match. Let me get it. You can finish blending out just this half side of my face so that you guys can see. And tell me, what do you guys think so far? So that is one side, this is the other side. And so far I have to say that this looks really, really good. Like, definitely when skincare meets makeup. Okay, so I have literally finished blending out the foundation and I'm just looking at myself and I literally have no complaints. Like, I like it. I didn't really use a lot and I feel like it's definitely buildable, and I definitely feel like it's more than medium coverage because I have, like, you can't see, I have like a little dark spot here. I can't see. I have like a little dark spot here on my forehead too, and I can't really see it. So I feel like I got more than medium coverage. So that's pretty dope. Now I'm curious. I'm curious to see how this product plays with how this foundation plays with other products. So I'm gonna go in with the concealer and I'm gonna be using the soft matte concealer, and I have that in the shade, I think it's caramel. No, I have Amande in the soft matte. And I also have the light reflecting, their setting powder. It's the light reflecting setting powder that's pressed, and I have this shade Sandstone, which is the dark shade. You know they have two shades. One is like this light white shade, and then this one is the dark shade called Sandstone. I'm gonna kind of use that just to gently set my face, and I'm gonna go in with the concealer and then we'll be back. All right, so I've pretty much finished off the rest of my face with the foundation. And when I do my first impressions, I like to apply everything. I put on bronzer, blush, highlight, like everything. I wanna see how the foundation mixes with other products or plays with other products. Does it lift? Does it come apart? You know, how does it dry down? So I pretty much went in with all my products, and this is still what the foundation is looking like. And I have to say that I love it. Like, I love it. I knew that I wasn't gonna be disappointed by Nars. So yes, I'm gonna put on my lips and then we'll be back to take one more look, and I'll give you my final thoughts on the new Nars foundation. Okay, so we are all done. Okay, foundation is still looking amazing. Like, I cannot like stop looking at myself in the mirror. Anyway, last thing that we're gonna do is set my face, and I'm gonna be trying out the Desi Do Me Over Prep Set and Refresh Face Mist. My first time using this, and ooh, wait. Ooh, yes, honey. It was like a continuous mist. Like, you know, like sometimes you spray it and you're like waiting for it to kind of whatever, but it really was like a continuous mist. Now my face is like super, super wet. Oh my God. So I have to say that as I look at myself, I am loving the foundation. My skin looks glowy. It's not like dewy. You know, honestly, it's very lightweight. I feel like I'm not, you know, sometimes you have on some foundations and you feel cakey, you feel heavy, you feel like you're wearing something. I don't really have that feeling. It feels like skin, but better. Like that's literally how it feels on my face. My skin looks amazing. I like the color. I feel like if I would have bought Marquise's, it would have been way too dark, but Macau looks really good. I feel like Nars always come through when it comes to complexion. Like I feel like the brand is consistent. Their foundations always wear well. They foundation shade, like that complexion, that's just Nars all the way. So again, another amazing foundation by Nars. And I definitely feel like it's something that I'm gonna be wearing. And it's perfect for this time of the year because it's cool outside, and you know, you don't really wanna be walking around with no dry matte foundation. So you're looking for something more dewy, more hydrating on the skin. And this is literally what this is giving me. Even though it's a natural finish, it still looks amazing on the skin. So definitely something that I'm gonna be wearing more to tell, you know, if I really like it. But honestly, I know that I'm gonna love it because it's Nars, and I just really love Nars complexion. They are staples. They photograph well, and it's just gonna look really, really good. So I am impressed so far. I definitely recommend this. If you know your shade in Nars, I can tell you that the shade translates. I wish I had Macau in like the natural long wearing. It's somewhere in this drawer and I don't feel like digging for it, so we can compare. But so if you know your shade, just go ahead, pick it up, try it. I guarantee you, you're probably gonna love it, especially if you're more dry and you need that hydration, then this is really gonna up the ante when it comes to that. So that's it for my first impressions review on the Nars Reflecting Skinwear Foundation. So let me know in the comments, are you gonna pick it up? What are your thoughts? Have you tried it? You know, let me know what you think. But so far, I love it. Definitely recommend you guys try it. And I also wanna thank you for watching today's video. If you aren't subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. If you are subscribed, then make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.